Hello everyone. Today we are giving you a lesson in salsa. My name is Felicia Mans and I own Happiness Dance Studios here in beautiful Richmond, Virginia. Today we are having a socially distanced class between me and two of my students who are together today. That would be Ebony and Aaron. First and foremost, we're going to start with the basic salsa step. It goes like so. You start with your left foot, you step forward, you step back on your right foot, you bring them together. You step back on your right foot, you step forward on your left, and you bring them together. In a count of 8 beats, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But in salsa, we say 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. With me, gang. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now, some people, instead of counting numbers, some folks like to use words. So, left, right, right, or front, together, middle, back, together, middle. Whatever works for you. Okay, so if you're just learning the salsa step, we did it forward, so now we've turned it back so it's easier for you to understand our steps as we move, and you can do it along with us. We're going to do just the basic step just 2 times. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So let's talk arms. Your hands should be about right here, because as you wait for cues, when you're doing turns and other things, your hands have to be ready. Men are usually with their hands almost in a fist, ladies with their hands palms down. And so in they're facing each other, they're going to do the basic step, but not touching. And ladies, you have to remember you step backwards. So this time you start on your right foot. So ladies, you have to think. Gentlemen always start with their left foot forward. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to do open position, which they were just apart. So when you connect with your hands, we consider this open position. Again, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now we're going to do what's called closed position. In closed position, the lead has his palm up, the follower has their palm down. Elbow up on the other side. Can you rotate so that everybody can see all the way around? Just rotate all the way around so they can see your position of how you are. Good, good. Nice positioning. Great. Okay, from here we're going to do our basic step. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Great. Now, we've done open and closed position and basic step. From here, we're going to do a cross body lead. The leader takes the follower across the body in a half turn. The follower will turn on 5. 3, 5, 6, 7. 2 basics. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now, did you see that Aaron did what I call a cue? And he dropped his one hand down on number 1. 1, and then he came up 3 with her arm bent, and then he turned her around. And she turned on 5, 6, 7. Very good. Show them the turn again. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Again, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So that gives proper and ample time for the follower to know what the leader wants them to do. Crossbody lead and then a turn. So we're going to do 2 basics, crossbody lead, a turn, 2 basics. And that's pretty much our lesson. 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And turn, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Very good. All right. Now, we've done some couple work already, and you saw that. So now we're going to do some other types of steps that you can do either with your partner connected by your hands, or you can drop your hands and do these as an individual freestyle type of dance. The first one is called the side to side, and we're going to do it, so do it with us. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, side to side, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Very good. So now we're going to do what's called a back step. Same count, but a back step. We're going to do 2 basics and then a back step. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, back step. Next, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Very good. I hope you got that down. Okay, now we're going to do what's called a Susie Q. Now, Susie Q is also crossing your legs, same count. I'm going to show it to you forward, and then I'm going to do it with them with our backs turned to the camera. All right, so 2 basics. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Susie Q goes 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. That'll get to a basic. Now let me break down the Susie Q real quick, and then we're going to do it so you can follow along. So you do your basic, 3, 5, 6, 7. Then 1 is 1, 2, 3. Bring this leg around. 5, 6, 7, and do it again. 1, 2, 3, and do it again. 5, 6, 7, and go back into a basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to demonstrate it with our backs to you, and you follow along. 2 basics, 2 Susie Q's, 1 basic. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Susie Q. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. 1 basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Very good. I hope you got that, because that was a lot of fun. Now we're going to put it all together. The side to side, the back step, and the Susie Q. And we're going to start with 2 basics, then the move twice, and then 1 basic in between, then the next move. 1 basic in between, and the last move, and 1 basic. I'll call it out so you remember what we're doing. All right, everybody ready? 2 basics, side to side, 1 basic, back step, 1 basic, Susie Q, 1 basic. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, side to side. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Basic. 1, 2, 3, 5. Back step. And 1, 2, 3. Basic step. And 1, 2, 3. And Susie Q. Go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 1 basic. 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I hope you got that. If you did, I'm real proud of you. Thank you for joining us for this. I hope that this is giving you a better start to learning salsa, because you can do it. Remember, everybody has a first step. And with us at Happiness Dance Studios, happiness happens Thank you.